Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 GMC Sierra 3500HD Denali featured in white frost tri-coat with a jetback interior. Under the hood there's a 6.6 liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power sunroof, wireless charging, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, multi-pro tailgate, and Bose speakers. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane change alert, parking sensors, hill descent control, backup camera, 360-degree camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, as well as memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and powered mirrors you can fold in using this here. Some storage and cup holder space below, as well as our Bose speaker. To the left of the driver's seat, we have our power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats with Denali stitched into the top, and we can hop inside. Still left when we get inside, we have our power park brake, as well as optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, as well as our lighting controls with LED cargo bed lighting and the heads-up display. We can go ahead and start up the truck. There in the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have our cluster controls, as well as Bluetooth controls. To the left is the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. We can take a look at our audio. Has AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using either Bluetooth or USB. And it also is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can go ahead and check out the navigation. And there it is. Also take a peek at the backup camera. And it has the 360-degree camera with a ton more options. Just below that we have our dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. And below that we have our lane change alert, parking sensors, power tailgate, traction control, and hill descent control with some storage, USB-C and USB plug-in. Cup holders with some extra storage, and here's our wireless charger. And here's the center console. We can go ahead and open that up. Has a USB-C and USB, as well as a 3-prong storage compartment above and one below, as well as a light at the back. Here's the rear view mirror, and we can switch that to the camera display by just flicking this bottom thing. OnStar and SOS up top with 2 dome lights, and our sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and there's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Denali HD badging along the bottom, as well as the assist steps, chrome mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, as well as privacy tint on the rear windows, and corner steps on the side for easy access, as well as rear bumper corner steps, and our exhaust. And to open up the back, all we gotta do is double click, and it's going to open up for us. Tons of space back here. We also have a handle to help us get up, and at the back here, if we push the top button, we can drop that down, drop this down, so we can get some steps up. Super convenient. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with power windows, as well as some storage and cup holder space. Here are the seats, and we can of course lift these up to get some extra storage in the back, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. Back of the center console there's 2 cup holders, as well as the rear vents and rear heated seats, and a USB-C and USB plug-in. Of course there's handles on either side, 2 dome lights at the top, and if we take a look in the middle we can pull this down for an armrest / cup holder. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2024 GMC Sierra 3500HD Denali. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.